Unfasten the rear straps. Loosen the tibial strap. Place the brace over the knee so that the Össur logo is located above the mid-patella line. Use any combination of the condyle pads supplied to widen or narrow the width of the brace at the knee. If there are any gaps around the tibia, the supplied tibial wedge pads can be placed between the liner and frame. Fine-tune the wedge pad position until the brace fits snugly against the leg. Fit strap number 1 below the knee first, as this strap anchors the brace above the calf muscle and aids in the correct positioning of the brace. Adjust and/or trim the pad and strap length if needed. Fasten strap number 2, the bottom strap. Loosen the screws on both sides to adjust the upper frame. Adjust the height of the brace if needed. Adjust the varus valgus angle of the brace if needed. Retighten the screws until snug. Fasten the upper straps according to the numbered order. Over-tightening the top 2 straps could cause the brace to migrate down. Ask the user to bend the knee between 30 to 45 degrees. Tightly fasten the tibial strap while making sure it fits comfortably. Adjust the pad position and/or strap length if needed. Ask the user to stand up. Verify the correct position and fit of the brace. Proper anterior-posterior placement will help prevent migration and ensure proper brace suspension. Readjust strap numbers 1, 3, and 5 in case the frame is too posterior or anterior. The field serviceable D-rings can be changed from internal to external D-rings in case of discomfort, or replaced if a D-ring is broken. The The Rebound Dual can be adjusted to individual anatomies. Use bending irons to cold form the aircraft-grade aluminum frame to fit different thigh and calf shapes.